Good morning folks, it's Friday, my name is Monday-Canterbury and welcome to today's daily vlog. It is Thursday, the rest of the day will be in the description down below. That's information about today. That's daily vlog, my social slash Instagram, my Twitter slash X, my Facebook group, my Roblox, my other channel that I run, that is J&M, Trams by Chat Show, and Jim's Games for now. And the 5 steps we can take. If we read them out properly, please let us know in the comments down below. It would be appreciated. So what is on the agenda today? For one, I'm going to mention a comment. What's been left for me, it would have been 5 hours ago. 5 hours ago it's been left. And I'm going to tell you, and I'm going to go into what I'm doing today. So, thank you to, I probably will say this wrong, so I do apologise. Corey, I'm going to spell your name out, C-O-L-L-Y. Thank you for your comment, it is appreciated. Well, these ones, I'm going to read out. I'm going to do it in sections. Life ain't easy. It's not. Go for a pint. Meet new people. I'm not really a big drinker. I only drink on a special occasion. Get a job. If I say I have 2 paid jobs and 1 volunteering, this is going back to reg. If I said that wrong, I do apologise. Volunteering. Volunteer at shop, or a shop. I'm a carer, or I work for football, for a football team. I don't actually play football, I just work at the stadium type of thing. So football, carer, working in a shop. Basically 3 jobs. I do something with my life compared to a couple other people out there. I'm not mentioning the names, but they probably can't be asked to get out of bed and not doing anything. Talk to women, go on holidays, cheer up. I've got a lady who I like, who I want to be my girlfriend soon. Going on holidays, that's going to be quite hard at the moment because my mum's in hospital. And cheer up, I just always like this. And that was from my video called Feeling Down and Not Have Much Sleep. I wonder if whatever the thumbnail will be. Well, thank you for you for your comment. So, moving on. Let's get back to it's on Snapchat. Wow. Oh yeah. Well, speaking to you guys. Anyways, what I'm doing today, not long since got up just before 8. I can't remember if I had my alarm on either, so I didn't. So yeah, anyways, itch. Let's try and put it straight again. But I'm going to set my tripod today. But I want to film a clip for this coming Saturday. So it's about monorailway, and I'm going to do another one for the Friday. Not this Friday, but the Friday after. Giving the people the heads up. Yeah, anyways, what I'm doing, so chill out for a bit. Set it off about 9:30, as it is 08:32. So like that. And I'm just starting the vlog. So chill out until about 9:30. Meet up with Morgan. So this is going to go on to J&M Travel Transport and Chat Show, including on my main channel, that is James Eccles Transport and Vlogs. All links, all that good stuff will be in the description down below on both channels. And then so setting off, we're probably going up towards Sainsbury's, but that's no sponsor. We'll just stand outside Sainsbury's for our bus at 10:15 when it's due. Let's see if it actually shows it on the map right now. Probably not. So so what else? So I think what else would be, so they're doing the bus from this end to into Chapeltown, and from Chapeltown meeting up with Ben, and then 9:27. Yeah, and then go from there. No, not that one. Up to Sean's. I have a good few hours up at Sean's. And then just basically playing trains. We have a street light, and then I have a good couple hours at Sean's, like my new models. I think Morgan's got his models, Ben's going to bring his models up as well. I'm making the video as I mentioned, and then after that probably making our way back into Chapeltown. Me, Morgan and Ben will go our separate ways, but me and Morgan will go one way and Ben goes a different. I think Ben's going to get a train back up to Barnsley, while me and Morgan get the 86 from Chapel to Hillsborough. Walking up, probably Morgan's probably going to get something to eat, and then probably get bus back up to Middlewood, back here, chill out for the rest of the night. I'm John's Gunnan. But anyways, on that being said, I went on so I can watch Joe with his Transport Fever 2. This is 2 years ago. I already watched it, but I'm going to watch it again. So that being said, I guess I'll speak to you all later. So enjoy your day, whatever you order. Right folks, it is now a bit later on in the day. Let's try on my phone. It is 2:55, 5 to 3. Up at Sean's been up here for quite a while. We have got Ben.
Hello.
We have Morgan.
Hello.
And then we have Sean.
We have Sean hiding under the layout.
Yes. He will be falling asleep soon.
Yes.
And I will be in charge. So we've just done a video for this coming Saturday. So look out for that. I'm going to say thank you to Ben who has filmed for that.
Hey Morgan.
Filming me and Sean talking on what is going to be happening for this coming, not this Saturday, but Saturday after, the 31st of August 2024. Anyways, what we've got running so far and what's not. I see Morgan in the background. There's Morgan's HSD. Like so. There we have got my Virgin Train / LNER HSD. Just passing along. And then we have got Ben's, yes, Ben's class, or GBRF class 66731 on the mega boxes. No, I have got the same one, but Ben has got it slightly different.
Oh yes. Certainly I found that.
Yes.
The reason why it's different to James is this is why.
This is not sponsored by Monster, by the way. So Ben's actually using his iPad to control his class 666,
which is Bluetooth BCC.
Yep.
How am I panic on?
What?
And then we have got Ben's 158.
In the old Northern Rail Livery.
And we have in a minute 66 passing.
Again.
But here we just see it in the background. It is my new 158844. What's been running around, etc. So we just had lunch not long ago either. I was just doing a video for the upcoming charity run. I think that's mainly it. Are we running anything else, guys?
Probably my HST later on with a bit of a mixture of cars.
You might see that bit there on. I'm actually playing the vlog after this if I do record it.
Yeah.
So on that being said, I'll get on. I'll catch you instead, probably before we go. If not, then I will see you when I get home.
Bye bye.
Bye.
884. $885.
She bumped her coach now, that's why. Right. Yeah, she goes. Oop, sorry, John.
That's okay. Model railway.
7 o'clock or 1900 hours is the time. Let's get Merlin some water. Time to do Trouble. Say hi, hello, Trouble. So,
Freddie Flintoff's Field of Dreams. Press red.
Trouble in a bucket. Then I will be making myself my food tea. What will be basically the same as yesterday, but hoping I will be cooking it better, I hope. And then go from there. And then watch YouTube on the big telly. And go from there. And that is the plan of action. What I will be doing. But anyways, I'll be back with you shortly. I'm not going on my computer just yet. Not going on computer just yet. Instead of doing Trouble, I'm going to see, then watching YouTube downstairs. That is the plan. So, on that, I get the hose pipe or the shower head into the bucket. Next clip, where you're going to see the bucket is full. And just like that, it's filled with open water. Well, before I said I was going to get it, just took the access off, and then taking that downstairs and putting Trouble in there after I put food in for Trouble, then put Trouble in, and then after that it's my time to have food. Seriously, Trouble, not Trouble, Merlin. Seriously. Why? I'll show you what I'm having for tea in a second. 19:13 is the time. Just until now, having my tea is basically a chicken burger as like yesterday. I do apologise for the not focusing properly. Come on. Where's it? Where's start recording? Here, continue again. There'll be 1 second. There we go. Chicken burger with tomato sauce on this time, not the signature sauce what they provide. But currently watching Life of Tom. So let's go, Tom.
Another day, another dollar, and oh boy, today is the day we lose all the dollars. Because, ladies and gentlemen, it is BEA beautiful, and not just because of the weather.
Oh, righty folks. It is now a bit later on in the day. This is actually the last clip of the night, as well as. So I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone's had a good day on whatever you have done on this Thursday. Well, me, I will tell you now. Well, but first, let's do a drink of the night. It is my official Train Spotter Red Edition cup. Well, if you didn't know, I have got a blue one as well. What is the same as that one, but in blue. And it is 21:40 or 9:40 PM UK time, and I've just went to a minute. So can't spell. Anyways, what we've done today, let me tell you. I got up, I got ready, I started the vlog, done the normal routine of what I always do. Done a computer that can be binned, well, pull out and then bin. Not that one. Uploaded the vlog, so I didn't do it yesterday, so I did it this morning, so I've uploaded it this morning. Then chill out for a bit. Shall I edit the vlog or shouldn't I? I'll do it in the morning. I will do it in the morning. But there's one specific thing what I want to do, is to edit the vlog video from last time I went up to Sean's. So yes. So what else have we done? So we set off about 9:25. Had a walk over to Sainsbury's, what is no brand deals or anything on them lines or anything like that. So let's try and find the videos what's already edited recent. So as I said, I had a walk down to Sainsbury's, got to Sainsbury's, got to Greg's, got myself a sausage roll and 2 drinks. One I actually ate in Greg's, but we just waited in the place itself, and then from there we went to, I swear I've known that one. Then so I think then went over to bus station or bus stop, got on bus, what was Stagecoach Sheffield's 39, I can't remember what it is, 39108 on the Route 86 from Hillsborough to Chapeltown. Met up with Ben in Chapeltown because Ben got there before us, and then we did Stagecoach Sheffield's 19103 on the number 1 or Route 1 from Chapeltown to High Green. Got to Sean's about 11 o'clock as well. I'll sort that out afterwards. Then after that we just sorted out get to know the levers. Was added lever pulling while Ben and Morgan were checking them, just to make sure everything is correct, if it's working and etc. And then after that then after we've done all that, we got the trains out. I've got my 158 out first. I think Morgan's got, Ben's got his HS, no, or is it Morgan's got his train out first? But whoever, we had running of trains, basically. Running of trains all day. Then we've done the video for this coming Saturday. So when this goes up, it will be up tomorrow. It will be up tomorrow. Just to pre-warn you all, I might do another one next weekend with me, Morgan, and Ben. We'll be going up to Sean's again to sort out the final. I'm putting in the final touches of the before the charity run. Just getting everything prepped, make sure everything is in right order, and etc. So yes, both will be going live and stuff like that. Then we're going up to I think it's Lidl to get a few bits from there. Getting back down, run a couple of trains for a bit while Sean was making lunch, and then after that, when I had our lunch, what was basically pizzas and then an ice cream, or actually, okay, for me it was a Magnum, or a takeoff of a rip-off version of the Magnums. After that, we ran more trains. I got my power cars out, and then I wanted to get my coaches out, and that were a pain in the backside, because if I can, I'm not answering it because I am doing the vlog. I'll try to show you on what before I do the football, not football, travel. This, if it will, well, Chloe, it's not me happy. Basically, this coupler was in the coaches, on the coaching, and it's not goes with the HST, the power cars. So Sean did the first one, then I've tried others. I think I got me from in the process of doing that, I do believe, but I'm not too sure. Anyways, running trains for a couple more hours. Mostly we had an HST afternoon, and then after that we did 6 at Sheffield's 39111, so 3 ones, 111 on Route 1 from High Green to Sheffield City Centre. Then we did Sheffield Super Tram, or basically we're just walking up towards Ponds Forge, and then we saw that was on the yellow route, I do believe. But I'm going to ask my mate, who is the driver of that tram as well, see if he can remember if it was yellow when we jumped on. Sheffield Tram 110 on the yellow route service from Ponds Forge to Hillsborough, and then we did First Sheffield's 36244 on the tram replacement service from Hillsborough to Middlewood. Came back here, done that for a bit, well, done trouble, done the normal routine, and yeah. Anyways, I think that's mainly it. I just shut that for the night and the YouTube catch up downstairs, as you do recently anyway. Thank you to Oliver. I do apologise if I said that wrong. I'm guessing it is. You put on my smash up the thumbs up button plus new subs 881. You put good video. Thank you for your comment. It is appreciated. Sub count of today is 886. Or 886 is the sub count. But anyways, on that being said, I'm going to get on. So thank you so much for watching. If you're around here, my name's Trams. I do everything you need to know is in the description down below. That's information about today, the last day of the vlog. My socials, that's Instagram, Twitter, my Facebook group, my Roblox, as I say, other transport run it, JNM Travel Transport Chance Show will be something new on coming to that channel very, very soon. And Jameson's Games for now, and the 5 steps weekend. So subscribe, like, comment, push notification on upload, and I will see you guys tomorrow for another day of vlog. If you know about over the weekend vlogs, I'll see you on next weekend for the daily in the weekly vlogs. So that I catch you is one. So hope you have a good week, or you're going to have a good weekend. I catch you in one. So be everybody, bye. 886. Bye.